Peace, family. You know, I teach law, practice law, study law for a couple years now. And I stress how vital to the people it is to take back our power, and it falls on deaf ears. Well, this young lady, Sophie Marie, is a third grade teacher who teaches constitutional law and constitutional rights and has been disciplined for it. Check it out.
I got pulled into a check-in meeting with my administrator at school, and she had this lovely list of concerns that she wanted to bring to my attention. But my favorite amongst them is, we've noticed an intentional attempt at teaching your students about their legal and constitutional rights. That's the concern. They're concerned. Why are you concerned? Why is that a concern? Why is it a concern? Why is it a concern? Why does that concern you? Why is it a concern?
Now, from the years that I've been studying, practicing, executing, and teaching law, and how important it is to know law, for her to get disciplined by the school does not surprise me, because as long as we don't know, we can't fight it. And there's nothing as valuable as a slave who thinks he's free. You understand? At a young age, we should be taught this. I'm with Sophie Marie on this one. Austin, Texas, y'all got the game twisted. It's understandable knowing the location and landmass and the history, but it's unacceptable for any adult who knows the history to allow this to continue to go on. You know, I'm on YouTube and I push for our people and people to know law, and the pushback I get on that is amazingly just frustrating. You know, many times I hear people say, well, that don't matter because law will do what they want. Do you see why it's so important for teachers like Sophie Marie to teach the children at a young age? Because the adults are ignorant. Many of the adults that I come across or have contact with or have had conversations with on a legal level are ignorant. So their responses are ignorant. So I understand Sophie's predicament where you're supposed to be teaching, not forcing information upon for regurgitation, but you're supposed to be teaching. We're here to teach, and yet when I teach the important things, I get reprimanded, I get disciplined. It's because the education system is not built to teach or educate. It's created to force feed, brainwash, manipulate, and hypnotize. That's what it's all about. So, Sophie, in Austin, Texas, I'm here to support you. I'm here in appreciation of what you're trying to do. If only the parents were on the same level of understanding and importance, other than celebrity gossip, sports gossip, whatever the dumb things are that have our people distracted. We need to know law, not only know law, but execute and practice law. Each one should teach one, but each one should know the basics of law. Right now, we don't know that. We know how to bring up constitution and rights. We don't really know the history of these things. We don't know the importance of the etymology or the legalese perspective. We just know the basic conversation topics, right? So Sophie, once again, I'm gonna keep saying the name, Sophie Marie. I'm in support of you, Texas. Y'all are wilding. It's understandable, not agreeable, but understandable why you would want to keep the people ignorant in that landmass as well. But this is for the people around the world who get to hear my voice. We are, and not everybody, so I don't want to generalize everybody, but to those it concerns at least, we are ignorant of the law. And as long as we are ignorant of the law, what we deem the law will continue to execute against the people in the fashion that it does until the people know what's going on and formulate a strategic offense or a strategic defense that is also offensive. So family, this is your man King Guys saying support Sophie Marie. no law, join the Patreon. There's only 2 copies. Buy one of the 2 copies of my Strictly Law book, King's Law. With that being said, all love. I appreciate y'all for taking the time out to even pay this video attention. Salute.
Pulled into a check-in meeting with my administrator at school, and she had this lovely list of concerns that she wanted to bring to my attention. But my favorite amongst them is, we've noticed an intentional attempt at teaching your students about their legal and constitutional rights. That's the concern. They're concerned. Why are you concerned? Why is that a concern? Why is it a concern? Why is it a concern? Why does that concern you?